Affordable garage door repair for reliable solutions for home and business. When it comes to maintaining your home, a functioning garage door is essential for the security, convenience, and curb appeal of your property. When your garage door experiences issues, from broken springs to malfunctioning openers, prompt and professional repair is critical. Affordable garage door repair offers dependable services that keep your doors operating safely and efficiently for your residential properties. Garage doors are complex systems, and even small issues can escalate if left unattended. Affordable garage door repair specializes in identifying and fixing a wide range of problems, including broken or worn springs, malfunctioning garage door openers, off-track or misaligned doors, damaged panels or hardware, safety sensor issues. Our team is trained to diagnose problems accurately and provide lasting solutions to prevent recurring issues. For homeowners, a faulty garage door is more than an inconvenience. It can compromise safety and security. Affordable garage door repair provides prompt residential services, ensuring your family and property remain protected. Residential services include emergency repairs for sudden failures, routine maintenance and inspections, opener installation and replacement, panel repair and door alignment, spring and cable replacement. We prioritize fast response times and high-quality workmanship to keep homes safe and functional. Customers choose us for our commitment to quality, reliability, and cost-effective solutions. Our technicians are licensed, trained, and experienced in all types of garage doors and openers. When you work with us, you benefit from competitive pricing without sacrificing quality, prompt professional service, expertise across residential systems, guaranteed satisfaction, and lasting repairs. Regular maintenance is key to extending the life of your garage door and avoiding unexpected breakdowns. Affordable garage door repair offers maintenance plans tailored to your needs, including inspections, lubrication, and adjustment of components. Scheduled maintenance helps to reduce repair costs over time, improve door safety and functionality, extend the lifespan of door components, prevent emergencies and downtime. Contact Affordable Garage Door Repair today. Don't let a malfunctioning garage door compromise your safety or convenience. Affordable Garage Door Repair provides fast, reliable, and cost-effective solutions for homes and businesses. From emergency repairs to routine maintenance, our expert team ensures your garage doors operate smoothly, efficiently, and safely.